Hi everyone, my name is Sam Cafferty and I'm an application engineer with QTE Manufacturing Solutions. As part of our Mastercam 2024 rollout, we want to highlight some of the latest innovations and improvements to the software and how they can improve your workflow and maximize productivity. So let's jump right in with part 3 of our series, where we'll showcase the various improvements to solid holes in Mastercam 2024. Mastercam 2024 has some great improvements to how solid holes can be created and manipulated. So much programming is done entirely from solid models, and it's key to be able to easily and quickly modify holes when needed. The big improvements in Mastercam 2024 for solid holes are centered around edge treatments, or easily reversing hole direction, and the ability to explode multiple hole operations within the Solids Manager. New for 2024, you can specify edge treatments for the top and bottom of your hole right in the solid hole operation. Fillets have also been added as an option for more flexibility. Previously, you could only chamfer a solid hole when creating it. We can also choose independent edge treatments for the top and bottom of a hole, or use the match top and bottom box to use the same chamfer or fillet for both sides. Depending on how the solid part was modeled and what CAD system it comes from, some through holes may not be in the correct direction to be machined, using the solid hole itself as the geometry. Now, we can easily reverse it with just a few clicks. The new Reverse Hole button moves the hole's associative point, or the point that was selected to create the hole, to the opposite end and reverses the vector. It can be done on any through hole using this Reverse Hole button within the hole operation. We can also create new operations from a single hole operation. When hole operations are grouped, it can be tough to edit individual holes and change size, edge treatment, or direction. Now in the Solids Manager, the Explode Hole operation creates an operation from each instance in a group of holes. In the example shown here, we can see that this single countersink operation can be exploded into its 8 separate holes, which can then be edited independently. But do note that exploding a solid hole operation cannot be undone. You can't repack it in the Solids Manager. We can also move or copy individual holes to a new operation from their current operation, making it easy to regroup features or edit things in a pattern. The improvements to solid holes in Mastercam are perfect for making alterations to your solid model, making it even easier to program the toolpaths you need. Now, let's see this in action in Mastercam 2024. First, let's look at edge treatments. I'm going to select my bolt pattern here of these simple 157 holes and double-click to edit. I can see all 16 positions listed here. As in previous years, I can change the hole style or pull from a template. In this case, let's go ahead and add a top edge treatment. A 1/4 inch chamfer. Now I'll notice I can't see where that happened, and that's because if I go to translucent mode, my hole direction is actually reversed right now. These holes were created from the bottom up by the creator of this model. So I simply click reverse, and now my chamfers are on top. I can match the top and bottom treatments by clicking this button. Now I have chamfers top and bottom. I can also change them independently by unchecking the box and then changing the top to a fillet instead. Then I regenerate my solids model, and my changes are displayed on the model on screen. We can easily ungroup by right-clicking and using Explode Hole operation. Now these counter bores are independent. If I need to change the depth on one, I can easily do that, regenerate, and my changes are made. To edit operations, let's go back into our bolt pattern here. We'll turn off the top and bottom edge treatments. Let's say that I want to only chamfer every other hole. I can pick individual positions within my Explorer here, and they'll be shown on screen. I can use Control to select multiple options. Then right-click and move to a new operation. When I click the green check, I'll see that I now have a second set of holes. Then I can click on those and add my fillet or chamfer. I could also resize. Simply regenerate, and the changes are displayed on screen. As you can see in Mastercam 2024, we've added some great enhancements to solid holes, including editing chamfers and fillets right from the hole operation, exploding hole operations for more easy grouping and editing of like items, and the ability to easily reverse the hole direction to ensure accurate hole making when using drilling toolpaths. If you're interested in upgrading to Mastercam 2024 or want to know more, please visit qtemfg.com or email us at support@qtemfg.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.